Somebody call 911. Shawty fire burning on the dance floor. Whoa. One time, one. Kingston. Let's go. Hey. Red one. Hey. Hey. Shawty got that super thing. Hot in the sun in the south of Spain. Got me soon as I walk through the door. Oh, my mama gonna take a lane. The way she drop it low, that thing got me wanna spend my money on her. She get it poppin', lock it, dropping that birthday cake. Got a candle, need to blow that crazy flame away. I took my red black card and my jewelry. Shawty is cool like the fire, cool like fire. Somebody call 911. Shawty fire burning on the dance floor. Whoa, I gotta cool her down. She won't bring the room to ground on the dance floor. Whoa, she's fire burning on the dance floor. That little shorty fire burning on the dance floor. She's fire burning on the dance floor. That little shorty fire burning on the dance floor. That money in the masterpiece, the owner is more than every 100 years. But ain't no doubt I'm taking it all. I'm afraid of a golden lane. Cause my game is about to change. She'll be on covers over the world. She get it poppin', lock it, dropping that birthday cake. Got a candle, need to blow that crazy flame away. I took my red black card and my jewelry. Shawty is cool like the fire, cool like fire. Somebody call 911. Shawty fire burning on the dance floor. Whoa, I gotta cool her down. She won't bring the room to ground on the dance floor. Whoa, she's fire burning on the dance floor. That little shorty fire burning on the dance floor. She's fire burning on the dance floor. That little shorty fire burning on the dance floor. She got that fire in the dance floor. Make the fellas run around. Hey, no exit from the dance floor, so the boys want more. Hey, she got that fire in the dance floor. Make the fellas run around. Monday, get in my way, everybody. See that? No exit from the dance floor, so the boys want more. Whatever, let's go. Monday, let's go. Hey, poppin', lockin', droppin' that birthday cake. Got a candle, need to blow that crazy flame away. Now take my red black card and my jewelry. Shawty is cool like the fire, cool like fire. Somebody call 911. Shawty fire burning on the dance floor. Whoa, I gotta cool her down. She won't bring the room to ground on the dance floor. Whoa, she's fire burning on the dance floor. That little shorty fire burning on the dance floor. She's fire burning on the dance floor. That little shorty fire burning on the dance floor. Somebody call 911.
Let's learn Fire Burning. It's choreographed by Nicolas Lachance. It is a 32 count to 4 wall intermediate level line dance with one tag on the end of wall 4. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the step change into our tag and the tag, and then we're going to go around and dance 5 walls of the dance so that you know where everything happens and you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Fire Burning. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your right foot. You're going to take your left heel, you're going to tap it forward. You're going to step your left foot next to your right and point your right toe to the right side. You're now going to step your right foot next to your left and you're going to hit your left knee up. We're now going to step down but slightly forward with our left, and we're going to take our right toe and we're going to touch it behind and slightly across our left. You want to make sure that there's a gap between your 2 feet, so you don't want to lock it in. It's touching back, but slightly across to use as leverage for your next part. From here, we're going to do 2/4 heel bounces that are traveling over our right shoulder. We're going to lift both heels up. You're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, putting your weight back onto your left foot. We're now going to do another one, making a quarter turn over our right shoulder, lifting our heels up, settling back down onto your left foot. You're now facing 6 o'clock. We're going to end the section by doing a right coaster step, right back, left together, right forward. You will end section 1 with your weight on your right foot, facing 6 o'clock. So let's try it with some counts. Weights on your right foot, you're doing your heel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Weights on your right foot to start section 2. Section 2 starts with 2 wizards, 1 to the left and 1 to the right. So we're going to step our left foot into the diagonal slightly forward, bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then quickly step your left foot forward. We're now going to repeat that to the right. Step your right foot into the diagonal slightly forward, bring your left foot in and behind your right, quickly step your right foot forward. From here, we're going to do a syncopated cross rock, side rock. So you're going to take your left foot, you're going to cross it over your right foot, recover back onto your right. You're going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover back onto your right foot. We're now going to do a crossing shuffle, crossing left over right, right foot to the side, left over right. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your right foot, you're facing the back wall, you're doing your 2 wizards. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. When you end your wizards, you want to make sure that you're stepping into that diagonal. It will make your cross rock, side rock, crossing shuffle easier because your body will be already directed towards the right. Section 3, weights on your left foot, you're facing 6 o'clock. We're going to do 2 quarter turning skates. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder. We're going to push our right foot in and then out, taking weight onto your right foot. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, skating your left foot to the left side. So now you're back at 6 o'clock. From here, we're going to do a half paddle turn, making 2 quarters. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder. You're going to hitch your right knee up and then push your right toe to the right side. You're now going to do that one more time over your left shoulder, make a quarter turn, slightly hitching your right knee up and then pushing your right toe to the right side. From here, you're going to take your right heel, tap it forward. Quickly step your right foot next to your left. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, hitching your left knee up. You're now going to step down with your left and you're going to place your right heel forward. You're going to make another quarter turn over your left shoulder. As you step your right foot next to your left, you're going to hitch your left knee up to face 6 o'clock, and then you're going to quickly step down with your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our crossing shuffle, left over right. You're going to do your quarter turning skates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and. Section 4. We're going to do a half Monterey turn with a side rock cross. So you're going to touch your right toe to the right side. You're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, heading backwards, making a half turn, stepping your right foot next to your left. You're now at 12 o'clock. You're going to rock your left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and cross your left over your right. You're now going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot. You're now at 9 o'clock. You're going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot. You're now at 3. We're now going to do a full turning triple. You want to keep this really small. So we're going to make a half turn over our left shoulder, stepping slightly back with our right. You're going to make another half turn over your left shoulder, stepping slightly forward with your left. And then you're going to step forward slightly with your right to end the dance. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just finished our heel and hitch step. You're doing your Monterey half. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You want to keep that full turning triple right in your spot so you don't travel too far to the side. Now, if you or any of the people that you teach are unable to turn for whatever reason, after you do that half forward, you can replace it with walk, walk, walk. And you want to make sure that you end with your weight on your right foot. So you'll do those 3 steps kind of quick. So it will be like right, left, right, 1 and 2, or in this case, 7 and 8. And then you would start the dance all over again. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it all the way through, 1 time with steps and 1 time with counts, before we talk about the step change and the tag. Weights on your right foot, you're starting with your heel. Heel step, point step, hitch step, touch, quarter, bounce, right, coaster step, left wizard, right wizard, cross rock, side rock, crossing shuffle, quarter skate, quarter paddle, heel quarter, hitch step, heel quarter, hitch step, Monterey, half, side rock, cross, quarter back, half forward, full turn, triple. Weights on your right foot, facing 3 o'clock to start the dance all over again. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that right foot. You're starting with your left heel. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Or you're here, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Kind of like a triple or shuffle forward. Now, let's talk about the tag and the ending change. So, wall 4 is our 9 o'clock facing wall. You're going to dance all the way up until you're going to start that full turning triple. So you'll dance the whole thing. You'll be here. You would have just done your quarter back, half forward. And we're going to leave out the triple on this wall only. You're going to replace it with 2 walks. So we're going to walk right, left. That will be the 1 time you do it, and it will to start your tag, because we step forward with our right foot for the tag. So now let's talk about the tag. It's 16 counts, and the first 8 repeat. So we're stepping forward with our right foot slightly on the ball of our right foot. You're going to now lean and bend your knees. So you're going to slightly lean forward over that right knee, bend your knee, lifting both heels up. You're now going to make a half turn over your left shoulder, switching weight to your left foot, and then you're going to straighten your left knee up. So now you're standing again. We're going to repeat that facing the back wall. So you're going to step your right foot forward, coming up on the ball of your right foot. You're going to lean your shoulders over your right foot. Both heels are up. Now you're going to make that half turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot, and then straighten your knees. So let's try that part with some counts. You're stepping forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last section of the tag, we're going to do a rocking chair. Step right foot forward, recover back on your left. Right foot back, recover forward on your left. We're now going to do heel switches. So we're going to take our right heel, place it forward. Quickly step your right next to your left, place your left heel forward. Quickly step your left next to your right, and you're going to hit your right knee up, and you're going to hold. To start the dance all over again, you'll quickly step down with your right foot, and then you'll start the dance all over again. So let's try that last part with some counts. We're doing our rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Hold 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And start the dance all over again. So now let's do the step change, the 2 walks into our tag. So we would end the dance by making that half turn, stepping forward. You're doing 2 walks. Walk, walk. Now it's step, bend, and lean. Half rise up. Step, bend, and lean. Half rise up. Right rocking chair. Now your heels. Heel step, hitch, hold, ball, heel. We'll start the dance all over again. So now let's try it with some counts from that walk forward. It's 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7. Hold 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. And then you're ready to start the dance Right after that hitch hold, you do that ball step, immediately go into the first section of the dance. So now let's go around. We're going to do 5 walls of the dance so that you can practice doing that tag right into the next wall. And then hopefully you can join everybody out on the dance floor dancing this. Weight's going to start on your right foot. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls will do counts. Weight's on that right foot. You're starting with your left heel. Heel, step, point, step, hitch, touch, back, quarter bounce, right, coaster, step. Left wizard, right wizard. And your cross rock, side rock, crossing shuffle, right quarter skate, left quarter skate. Quarter paddle. Heel, hitch, quarter step, heel, hitch, quarter step. Point, turn, side rock, cross, quarter back, half forward in your full triple. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Heel step, point step, hitch, back, tap, bounce in your coaster step. Wizard and cross rock, side rock, crossing shuffle, quarter skate, quarter paddle. Heel step, heel step, hitch step, point. Monterey, side rock, cross, quarter, half, full turn and triple. At the end of this wall, we're going to do our tag. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 to your 2 walks, 7, 8. Now you're doing your step. Step, dip, turn, come up. Step, dip, half turn, come up. Rocking chair. Now your heels, heel and hitch, hold and heel and point and heel and tap. Quarter bounce in your coaster step. Wizard and cross rock, side rock, crossing shuffle, quarter skate, paddle, heel quarter hitch step, heel quarter hitch step. Now you're doing your Monterey half with your side rock cross, quarter back, half forward, and your full turning triple. And that is the whole dance. I hope this helps you learn fire burning so that you can dance it with everybody else. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.